it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? Amirrecords came here with another reaction. Today with Hink45. Yeah, man. Hink45 again with Piss Off Your Fuck. Yeah, man. I want to name him Piss Off Your Fuck. Big up Amirrecords. Big up myself, bro. Yes, big up Hink45 as well. Yes. Lyric video. It's a lyric video. Yeah, man. Jump in the one and see what I got on, man. It's gonna, man. Yeah, man. Hink45. Yeah, man. Hink45 with Piss Off Your Fuck lyric video featuring Amirrecords. Big up myself, my bro, again. Let's go. Watch your boss, watch you out. Watch your boss, watch you out.
That the amount of film turn a fiend and a pity finna boy I hate tap a bleed till I chase my dream now stop till my reach. Mommy stuff is stay strong, breathe to myself I'm free.
The floor, the fucking floor. Ain't quite one. That one I got pin in my comment section. Production team, big up on yourself, dog.
Chase my dream, now stop till my reach. Mommy stuff is stay strong, breathe to myself, I'm pre-millions. But the tears keep falling, another explain I consume from morning and ask.
Bumbo clap. Mommy self stay strong. Remember some yes, mommy prayer and grandma prayer always goes a long way now, bro. Yeah, dog, long way, man. Yes, man. This a bitch I want but it won't feel low.
That amount of film turn a fiend and a pity finna boy I hate tap a bleed. I chase my dream now stop till my reach. Mommy stuff is stay strong, breathe to myself I'm pre-millions. But the tears keep falling, another explain I consume from morning. And I see the pussy them till the year party. Might see my done.
Yes, yeah, nah, see the pussy them until the year party. Wait the man.
Consume from morning. And
Nah, see the pussy them until the year party.
Might see my done, but my blood clot crafty. Pissed off your fuck, get my drift in your fuck. Another XP last smoke, now my lungs.
Yeah, let me tell you something, dog. I think about the fourth and the fifth song this. Me I react to Hink45. Yo. All of the songs them sound different, bro. All of the songs them sound different. Right now, him just experiment with different flows and different melodies. Yo, him bad your fuck.
Might see my done, but my blood clot crafty. Pissed off your fuck, get my drift in your fuck. Another XP last smoke, now my lungs. Pissed off your fuck, get my drift in your fuck. That bitch up all up, but my just want fuck.
Pissed off your fuck, get me drift in your fuck. That bitch I want love, but me just want to do something. Inna your miggle.
Pissed off your fuck, get my drift in your fuck. That bitch
I want love, but me just want fuck.
Pissed off your fuck, get my drift in your fuck. That bitch up all up, but me just want fuck. Save me one more night, just one more night. Save me one more night,
just one more night.
Save me one more night.
Oh, sick lad.
Just one more night. Save me one more night. One more time, just one more night. Promise me some now feel. Ooh, that I pray and I wait for my card, yeah.
Yeah, man, me not feeling now. Remember, I don't telling about mummy prayer from down the center. Right now, me not feeling now. But at the matter of fact, how would that I say? Them can't wait for my God jail. That now go on. You go on. Hold your breath. Hold your breath and see if it happen. You're going dead.
Promise me some now feel.
Promise me that.
And I wait for my card, yeah. Promise me some now feel. Ooh,
that I pray and I wait for my God jail. You mad?
More Satan. I tell me raise the pussy they hit me. Contact to them still in a training.
Yo. Most hated. I ask them why them hate me. Them can't tell me. Them don't know. Them don't know why them hate me. Them just love to hate.
Ask them raise the pussy they hate me. Contact to them still in a training. Could stop it greatness, I can't too patient.
Video clean your fuck.
Just chop, no man got your pistol. Show me charge where you get first coming. You run left your place and hide in a foreign. Want a pill on my pop, put the fuck my foot on it. How get the binds a while ago? Another beast just chop, no man got your pistol. Show me charge.
I was another beast just drop. Yeah, me got your pissed off. Yeah, because you don't like to see you to win, you know. You don't like to see you win a blood clot. Another beast just drop. Get pissed off.
Show me charge where you get first coming. You run left your place and hide in a foreign. Want a pill on my pop, put the fuck my foot on it.
Run left your place and now you're hiding a foreign. Why you do that? Why? You can't go back to your place? Eh? Oh, me fi bumbuckle. Hey! Oh, me fi...
You run left your place and hide in a foreign. Want a pill on my pop, put the fuck my foot on it.
Oh!
Burn on the fuck, man, I share from my from my bar, man, static, cannot wait for damage. Piece up a puzzle, then everybody vanish. Yeah. Save me one more night, just
one more night.
Save me one more time.
One more night, just one more night.
Save me one more night. But see my brother dead, just one more night. Save me one more night. One more time, just one more night.
Bumbo clot.
My piece of your fuck. Yo,
I'm here, big up.
I got my piece of your fuck.
Director. Guapo Films, big up yourself. Video clean your fuck. I'm here to beat bad your fuck, my G. Beat bad, I'm here. Big up yourself. Hink45, bro. Every fucking song you find, bro. Every song you find, bro. Like, yeah. What can I say? Nothing negative. What the fuck can I say? Eh? Artist bad, man. Artist bad for real, man. Him album out, you know, guys. Him album out as well. I'm gonna leave a link down in the comment section. I'm gonna leave two links down there. One of him Linktree where you can go follow him on the socials, and the next one is gonna be this song itself where you can just go over there, go follow him, see him where you see me. So yeah. Big up yourself, me J. Big up yourself. Hink45, yeah. Bad. I'm here. Great production as always, bro. The director, big up yourself. Guado, big up yourself, bro. Big up yourself. Guapo, what's his name? Guapo? Alright, Guado, big up yourself, bro. Big up. Video clean. No joke. Yeah. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section, though. I'll be down there waiting. Yes, I'll be down there. Yes. Hink45, big up yourself again, my fam. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
A Sean Stam, the Zambia represent for Jamaica verse game. You don't know him give the baddest reaction. You know disclaimer. I know what that. About do Mr. Capalat, you know.